What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2016 Dodge Challenger 392 SRT, sexy blue with silver stripes. That is blue, right? No, it has. Oh, in the camera there was silver in the camera. Yeah, I didn't look at it. Okay, black stripes. Yeah, but in the camera they look like silver. I guess so. Anyways, factory converters, factory X-Pi. And what we did is put two DYNOMAX race bullets. One there, just in the mids. Left the valves on right there and right there. Then there's the part number on the dynos, 24250s. So if you want a link, there'll be a link in the description for them. And then we left the rears the same, the rear resonators there, and the factory tips out the back there. And right there, there's the mids that were on it that we cut off right there and replace them with the bullets. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and check out our merch. Wow, here's sound decibels. Again. 117. Wow, that sounds so good. All we did is put bullets. Look what about $300 would do, including the cost of the bullets. You can get this sound. Beautiful. Go ahead and back it out. I love that color. Man, I thought they were, in the camera, they looked silver. The stripes? Okay. Beautiful. That sounds so good. SRT 392. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. SRT 392. Oh yeah, that's sexy, man. They're really sexy cars. I think it's time, Jared. I'm gonna buy one. I don't want no Durango. No. Charger or Challenger? I think Charger, so I don't have, Challenger, so I don't have to take no kids with me.